Hi everyone, in today's video we are going to talk about 10 interesting things about ChatGPT. ChatGPT is an AI language model developed by OpenAI and it is one of the most advanced models of its kind. So let's get started. Number 1. ChatGPT has been trained on a massive amount of data, including books, articles, websites, etc. In fact, it has been trained on more than 570 GB of text data, making it one of the most knowledgeable AI models in the world. Number 2. One of the most impressive things about ChatGPT is its ability to answer a wide range of questions on a virtual any topic, whether you are asking about science, history, or pop culture. ChatGPT has the answer. Number 3. Thanks to its advanced training, ChatGPT is capable of generating text that is virtually indistinguishable from human written text. This means that it can write essays, articles, and even stories that are realistic and engaging. Number 4. Another interesting feature of ChatGPT is its ability to summarize long articles or documents. It can take a lengthy text and convert it into just a few key points, making it easier. Number 5. ChatGPT can even generate poetry using its advanced language skills. It can create beautiful thoughts. Number 6. ChatGPT is not a static AI model. It can learn and improve over time thanks to human feedback. As more people interact with it, it becomes smarter and more knowledgeable. Number 7. Unlike some other AI models, ChatGPT is capable of understanding context. This means that it can interpret the meaning of words based on surrounding text, leading to their accurate and useful response. Number 8. ChatGPT is not just a question answering machine. It can also generate conversation. You can talk to it about virtually anything and it will respond in a way that feels natural and engaging. Number 9. As AI technology is improving day by day, OpenAI is also consistently working to make it even better, which means it will only become more impressive as time goes on. Number 10. Finally, the most interesting thing about ChatGPT is the impact that it is having on the world. ChatGPT is making a difference in countless areas of our lives. So, there you have it, 10 interesting things about ChatGPT. These AI language models are truly incredible. Thanks for watching the video. Click on like and subscribe to the channel. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care.